been crying in the dark, but heaven feels silent. Everything is falling apart. Wake up with tears on my pillow, another night battling storms. The people I trusted are gone now, and this house don't feel like home. I prayed till my voice became broken, knelt down till my knees touched the ground. But the louder my heart keeps on calling, the quieter heaven sounds. My strength is fading slowly, my soul is covered in pain. I smile before the people, but inside I'm drowning in rain. Father, can you hear me? Do my cries still reach your throne? 'Cause I feel so abandoned, standing here alone. Lord, why you forsaken me? Why does the night swallow me whole? I'm breaking apart in the silence, trying to hold on to my soul. Everything's falling apart now. The pieces keep slipping away, but somewhere deep in this darkness, I still hear my spirit say, Jehovah, don't leave me. Bills on the table keep rising, children are crying for bread. Dreams that I carried for years now are lying like ashes and dead. Friends only love when you're winning, but vanish when suffering comes. Now I walk through this valley with wounds no one talks about loud. I try being strong for everybody while secretly falling inside. Even the strongest of soldiers sometimes just need to cry. Oh Lord, if you're still with me, give me a sign tonight. 'Cause these shadows around me are stealing all my light. Lord, why you forsaken me? Why does the pain never end? I've been searching for answers, but sorrow became my friend. Everything's falling apart now. I'm losing the fight in my hands, but if you still walk on the water, then Lord, please help me stay. Though my heart is shattered, though my world is changed, though the fire burns around me, your blood still knows my name. I may cry through the midnight, but morning will come again. 'Cause the God who raised the dead can revive this soul within. I still believe, even through the pain. I still believe we'll break these chains. You never left me, even After the storm and the sorrow, I will rise again. When everything falls apart, Jesus, be my reason to breathe again. Oh Lord, don't let go of me. I've been crying in the dark, but heaven feels silent. Everything is falling apart. I wake up with tears on my pillow, another night battling storms. The people I trusted are gone now, and this house don't feel like home. I prayed till my voice became broken, knelt down to my knees, touched the ground, but the